Okay guys, how to connect your PS4 to hotspot phone like this, or connect your phone, your PS4 to hotspot modem Wi-Fi. Okay guys, this is how to connect this. First, you should turn on your phone hotspot because you want to connect PS4 to hotspot. Okay, go to this setting. Go to the hotspot portable. Okay, like this. Okay, hotspot portable. Turn on the hotspot portable. Okay, my hotspot portable name is Skynet. Okay, okay, and setting in your PS4. Okay, set up internet connection. First, okay, set up internet connection. Use Wi-Fi. Easy. Okay, this is how to connect a hotspot to your PS4 hotspot phone. Okay, enter manually. Okay, first that. Okay, my connection is name is Skynet. Okay, just wait guys. Okay, Skynet. Okay, R2 done. Next. Okay, the password is wait for the. Okay, I will input the password first to connect my hotspot to PS4. Okay, just connect like that and your hotspot phone will connect to PS4. This is how to connect PS4 to hotspot, phone hotspot or modem hotspot with easy method. Okay guys, okay, just checking, just wait for the checking network environment. After trying to connected to the my phone hotspot portable. Okay, PS4 connect to hotspot portable on my phone. Okay, just wait. Okay, checking network connection. Okay, this is the icon of hotspot portable. Yes, okay, look at this. Okay, choose this IP address setting is automatic. Do not specify. Automatic again. Okay, automatic again. Do not use. Okay, internet setting, update it and go to test internet connection. Okay, connect my PS4 to hotspot, phone hotspot to get to my SSID Skynet. Okay, this is connect to my phone to my PS4 to hotspot portable. Okay guys, my internet connection is obtain IP address successful, but the internet connection failed. If your internet connection failed, you just restart your connection, your hotspot connection, and then try again to test internet connection until successful obtain IP address and internet connection is successful, also successful. Okay, like that.